today I'm back with another phone holder video, but this time it's going to be quite a bit different. Today I'm going to try to do it with no power tools. Now I got a comment the other day of,
what if I have no power tools and I want to make this thing?
So today I'm going to do it and see how it turns out. Alright, let me first look in our scrap wood bin. This could work. Aha, here's a little piece of a 2x4. Alright, now we're over here with the bench vise and we're going to put it in face up. Alright, and then we're going to use a tape measure and measure in about 2 inches and then another 3/4 of an inch. Now we'll just get our saw and cut those lines till it goes about halfway deep. Now we'll get a hammer, a screwdriver and a chisel and pound away this middle section. Now that we got that groove removed, now it's time to flip it over and work on the other side. Trace those 2 outside lines from the groove up on top of the other side. So that is what your 2x4 should look like. Now it's time to chisel out this whole section till it meets the underside of the groove. Alright, this is what it should look like after, but the bottom part did bust out, but that's not a big deal because it'll just make the sound go both directions. Now, is it just me or does this look like a little bottom of a pontoon boat? Alright, now since I'm not allowed to use any power tools, I'm just going to have to hand sand it. Alright, now you don't have to do this, but I'm just going to slap a little bit of stain on this just to make it look a little bit nicer. Ow! If you've seen my previous video, you might know that it is a phone holder. But I was using it the other day, and I noticed that you could put your charging cord up through here and then charge it while you watch. Well, this project only took me about 20 minutes, and that is including screaming at the camera and moving it around. So it would probably only take you maybe 15 minutes, and it is really easy and simple. So if you like this video, I'll put my woodworking playlist right here because I think you might like some of my other videos. And if you'd like to subscribe, I will put that right here. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.